So again, this is the complete finish slingshot. Find the target. Place your arm. Aim. Hold. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel again. I'm here at this market. I'm looking for to build a slingshot here. One store here right now. So we got what we got here. We got one of these. All right, and then we got, what do we have? We got this, and we got this elastic right here. So we need to get this elastic. I think we got the blue one. We got. Let me see. So we got. So this is what we got here. I'll show you, guys. So we have. So I'm gonna build an elastic slingshot. So this called sanga, diba? They call sanga, and this is the two rubber. Yeah, and then I'll show you guys how to make this at home. All right, and this is part of where you have to put the rocks and anything solid. Right. Is that good? All right, so let's just go and build this. Salamat kayo.
110.
Huh? 110? Oh, sorry, 110. Okay, so it's 110. Sama na eh? Oh, 110. So, I'm gonna ask Royal. I think we'll get the small bill. All right, hold on. I'm in the market trying to get this slingshot. You got one? Okay. All right. Okay, we got 10. Okay. Okay, salamat. Thank you. All right, guys. So we're gonna make the slingshot here. We just got all the parts, pieces that we need in here in Dao Market. So, all right. So we're gonna go build it. We're gonna build it at home, and I'll use it. I'll bring it back home to Canada, and I won't tell what I'm going to use it for. So, all right, let's go. We're here near the ICM, behind here. So we're going to make me the slingshot for me to take to Canada. What I'm going to use the slingshot for is a surprise. Na mga maldito nito akong pitkon. Pitkon ng mga puting itlog. All right, so we're leaving, so we're gonna go home, and we're here near the ICM. Morning. This is the terminal is sa mga buses, mga jeepneys.
Panglaw.
You want the Panglaw? Where? Kita? Huh? Tomorrow is our last day. We'll be leaving tomorrow, going back to Canada. So this is probably my last time here in ICM. And this is the terminal for all the jeepneys. And these are the series Southern Star. The Southern Star. So this bus would actually travel all over Bohol, towns all over the Bohol. So if this is the way for them to get long distance travel, it's easier for them to just ride on those yellow bus to get to their homes in anywhere in Bohol. home.
Baliw ko lang. Salubad sa gawas.
All right, we're finally home. But I'm gonna try to build this slingshot myself today. Alright guys, so just got home, and I will make a slingshot on this video, and I'm going to show you what parts or what items I need to make a slingshot. First, I need one of these. So you can actually make this. I bought this at the supermarket. It's a handmade, so it's just a piece of wood, and they just carve to turn into like a letter U like this. Or you can actually get them. But anyway, so this is a handmade handle for your slingshot. And second, I need to have a rubber like this. Okay. Again, I just got this at the store, and then another two small one like this. I'll show you what I use this for. And I have this leather piece right here. What's this for is where you actually put your rocks at the end of this here. But anyways, I'll show you that once this is completed. So what I have to do is I normally cut this. I cut this rubber piece here. I cut off right here in half. Since I don't have a knife, I'm just gonna try to make it without cutting this rubber. So it's gonna go like this. So I'll just actually measure the length like that. So make sure it's even. So what I do in this part here is I will tie this on this part of the handle. Okay, on the left side of the handle. So I got one of these. They got two of these. One on the left side, one on the right side. So you just have to tie this rubber piece right here onto the handle. And to do that is, I will show you how to do this. Here we go. So I usually start from the top here, like this. Okay, and just pull that rubber. Then just swing it around. gonna use his lighter to cut. So it's here. Oh, ouch, ouch, ouch. All right. I got that two-piece cut off, and I'm trying to feed it from the outside to inside, and then I will have to use this short elastic that's just cut in half, and to tie this around. So I tie that, and that's kind of pretty close. So now, see how I wrap that around that rubber, that leather materials right here. So again, I have the other half of what I cut off, and tie this way. So again, this is the complete finish slingshot. Okay. Now, it's not the best. I'm just showing you guys how it's made, what materials you use to make a slingshot. So that was an easy fix or assemble right here. So now, once you have this, is you need to get a rock. And what we used to do is we used to set up a can. We set up a can anywhere, and then we kind of play game where we shoot the can and we use a rock as a bullet. Now let's go and find a rock. All right, guys. So I'm gonna look for rocks. So I can use my slingshot that I just made. Back. I'm sure there's a lot of rocks around here that I can find. No, see, like slingshot. So I will test. Now I'm gonna look for some kind of rocks here. Asa? Akin ang gagmay din. Ako nang practice ako. Oh yeah? Okay. All right. There's some rocks here. Asa na pet? Kini buntod? All right, so here's some rocks that I can use. You see? So here, I can collect this. Smaller enough. What you do is, you should have enough space here where you can place your rock. All right, so I'm going to try to do some kind of a practice shooting my slingshot. So what I need is looking for a can. If I can get a can, and I'll just place it anywhere here. All right. So I'm going to place this coconut right on top here. Right up here. And we're going to shoot this down. Oh. Okay. So there's a coconut, and then we're going to try this. There's a bottle. There's a bottle right here that I can try. So I'm going to try. I'm going to shoot that. See the right here. I think that's where the coconut. Right, so this is my slingshot. So I'm going to try to put it here. See if I can hit that. Oh. Yes. I got it. Second shot. Now, I'm gonna try this bottle right here. Okay? Hey guys, I've got to place the bottle right here. Let me see if I can hit that bottle. Okay? Now, to do that, you gotta be, you can see the bottle right here? Right there. You see? I missed that can. So what I do is I'm gonna get you guys closer to the can. There goes. Got it. All right, guys. I got it. I got a hit on that bottle. Now it's time to clean up because it is glass. Stand still. Go for the target. Place your arm. Aim and pull. Get down. Middle wall. It's like using like a bow and arrow. Up, aim, and pull. Again, stand straight. Look for the target. Place your arm. Aim and pull. That's it. Alright guys. Again, thank you so much for watching guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video and how I practice my slingshot. Alright. Bye.